Hello everyone, here we are going to continue with exercise 24 of the chapter Solutions of Right Angle Triangle. Now here we are having question number 16. In this question number 16, a kite is attached to a 100-meter long string. Find the greatest height reached by the kite when its string makes an angle of 60 degree with a level ground. Here we are having this figure in which at position A the kite is there and this is the string which makes an angle of 60 degree with a leveled ground. We have to find the height of this kite. Now यहाँ पर भी हमें परपेंडिकुलर और हाइपोटेन्यूज के बीच में रिलेशन सेटअप करना है. So we can use sin theta equals to the perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and here we are having sin 60 equals to AB upon hypotenuse AC, and this will be equals to √3/2 और AB की वैल्यू हमें h दिया गया है, h हमें दे हाइट और ये हो जाएगा 100 एंड देयरफॉर h इक्वल्स टू 100 इंटू √3/2. सॉल्व करने पे ये हो जाएगा 50 √3 मीटर. Now here we are having question number 17, first part. In this one we have been given the triangle ABCD and the length of CD is being given as 20 centimeter. We are having this angle as 45 degree and this one as 30. We have to find the length of AB as well as BC. So सबसे पहले हम इसमें किसी एक की वैल्यू को x सपोज कर लेते हैं. तो let this AB be x. Let length of AB equals to x. Now in triangle ABC, with the help of tan theta we can calculate this one. So tan theta equals to AB upon BC और ये हमारे पास हो जाएगा tan 45 equals to AB that is x upon BC. हमारे पास tan 45 की वैल्यू भी 1 ही है, so x upon BC and that implies BC also equals to x. अब हमारे पास AB और BC दोनों की वैल्यू x आ गई. Then we are going to use this whole triangle ABD. So in triangle AB, for this angle 30 degree, this one is perpendicular and this whole is base. So again tan theta is going to be used. Tan theta equals to AB upon the base will be BD this time. Tan theta, that is tan 30, and AB we are having x. In case of BD will be BC plus 20, that is x plus 20. Now tan 30 की वैल्यू होती है 1/√3 equals to x upon x plus 20. Make a cross multiplication, you will be getting x plus 20 equals to √3x. अब यहाँ पर हम लोग 20 को इधर भेजिए और इसको इधर ले आते हैं और इसको हम लोग लिख लेंगे √3x minus x equals to 20. Here I have transposed x on this side and written like this one. Now x √3 minus 1 equals to 20 और x की वैल्यू हो जाएगी 20 upon √3. Then we have to rationalize this one because नीचे रेशनल नंबर आ रहा है. So √3 plus 1 and √3 plus 1, this will be equals to 20 in bracket √3 plus 1 upon √3 square minus 1 और यहाँ पर 20 into √3 plus 1, that is 1.732 plus 1, that is 2.732 upon 3 minus 1, that is 2. 2 से इसको कैंसिल करेंगे, ये हो जाएगा 10 एंड दिस विल बी इक्वल टू 27.32 सेंटीमीटर। और यही वैल्यू हमारी ए बी और बी सी दोनों की हो जाएगी। सो ए बी इक्वल्स टू 27.32 centimeter and BC also equals to 27.32 centimeter. Now we are having question number 18, and this question number 18 we are having this figure in which two triangles are there. One is having a 30-degree over here and the other one is having 45-degree over here. We have to find the value of PQ and AB is being given to us as 150 meter. तो सबसे पहले हम इस ट्राइंगल में आएंगे और इस ट्राइंगल की हेल्प से इस बेस की वैल्यू निकालेंगे फॉर दिस थीटा, और यहाँ पे हम लगाएंगे tan थीटा। सो इन ट्राइंगल ए बी पी tan थीटा इक्वल्स टू ए बी अपॉन पी बी। सो tan 30 equals to AB, that is 150 upon PB we have to calculate. So here is 1 upon root 3 150 and PB. Now do the cross multiplication, we get PB equals to 150 root 3 meter. फिर PB के बाद हम लोग BQ निकालेंगे with the help of this 150 only. So in triangle A B Q tan 45 degree equals to AB upon, and this will be tan 45 की वैल्यू 1 हो जाएगी, AB we are having 150 और BQ we have to calculate. That implies BQ equals to 150 meter. BQ की वैल्यू भी आ गई हमारे पास, and then we have to find the value of PQ, and this PQ will be equals to PB plus BQ, that is 150 root 3 plus 150. यहाँ पे 150 को कॉमन ले लेते हैं and this will become root 3 plus 1, then 150 into root 3 की वैल्यू होती है 1.732 and this plus 1, that is 2.732, and on multiplying we get 409.8 meter. Now here we are having question number 19. In this question number 19 we are having this figure and we have been given with the two angles as x and y over here, और इनकी वैल्यूज tan x equals to 5/12 दिया है और tan y equals to 3/4. We are also been given with the value of AB as 45 meter and we have to find the value of CD. तो सबसे पहले हम इस CD की वैल्यू को ही x सपोज करेंगे. So let CD equals to x. Now with the help of this triangle we are going to find the value of BC in terms of x. So in triangle BCD, tan y equals to CD upon BC, and here tan y is 3/4, so 3/4 equals to CD, that is x upon BC, और ये हो जाएगा BC equals to 4/3x. Now we have got the value of BC in the terms of x. फिर अब हम लोग इस पूरे ट्राइंगल का यूज करेंगे, दैट ट्राइंगल ACD. सो इन ट्राइंगल ACD again this will be perpendicular and this whole will be base. So tan theta, that is tan x equals to CD upon AC, और ये tan x की वैल्यू हमें दिया है 5/12. So 5/12 equals to CD, that is x, और AC हो जाएगा 48 plus this BC. Now we are going to do the cross multiplication, और ये होगा हमारे पास 548 plus BC equals to 12x. Now we are going to place the value of BC, that is 4 by 3x. So here it is 548 plus 4 by 3x equals to 12x, and now we are going to solve it. And here on solving we get x as 45 meter and the value of CD equals to 45 meter. Now in question number 20 we are having a rhombus ABCD in which all of the sides are equal, and we have to find the length of the diagonals, these two, and it has been given that obtuse angle is of 120 degree. इसका obtuse angle 120 degree का है और यहाँ हमें पता है कि diagonals जो होते हैं इसके 90 degree मीट करते हैं. Let name this one as O. Now diagonals of the rhombus bisects the vertex angle. इस एंगल को ये दो इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करेगा, दैट इज दिस विल बी द हाफ ऑफ 120 इज इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री, और हमें यहाँ पर इसका पेरीमीटर दिया हुआ है 96 सेंटीमीटर, दैट इज द सम ऑफ ऑल ऑफ द साइड्स विल बी 96 सेंटीमीटर. सो वी कैन यूज 4 into side equals to 96 centimeter, that is one of the side will be equals to 96 upon 4, that is 24 centimeter. So हमारे पास साइड की वैल्यू 24 सेंटीमीटर और दैट इम्प्लाइज ए बी इक्वल्स टू 24 सेंटीमीटर और ये एंगल 60 डिग्री का होगा. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस वी कैन कैलकुलेट दिस वन आल्सो, दैट इज एंगल ए बी डी या ए बी ओ इक्वल्स टू हाफ ऑफ एंगल ए बी सी, द रीजन डायगोनल ऑफ rhombus bisects vertex angle. Then this will be 1 upon 2 into 120, that is 60. That is 60 degree. Now in this triangle we can calculate the value of this BO and AO. In triangle AOB we are going to find this AO with the help of this AB. So we can use sin theta because इस एंगल के लिए ये साइड परपेंडिकुलर है और ये हाइपोटेन्यूज. So sin theta equals to sin 60 is and this AO we have to calculate and AB we have got 24. The value of sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and AO upon 24, and this will be equals to AO equals to 24 into root 3 by 2. Calculate it, it will be 12, that is 12 root 3. Now AO की value 12 root 3 है तो AC will be double of this, therefore AC equals to 2 into AO because diagonals of the rhombus bisects each other. So 2 into 12 root 3, that is equals to 24 root 3 centimeter. Now we'll find this BO और इस एंगल के लिए ये बेस है और ये हाइपोटेन्यूज. So we are going to use cos theta. So cos 60 degree equals to base BO upon hypotenuse AB. Here cos 60 की वैल्यू होती है 1 by 2 and BO we have to calculate और AB हमारे पास है 24. That implies BO equals to 24 into 1 by 2. सॉल्व करने पर हमारे पास 12 आ गया and then this BD will be double of this BO because again the diagonals of the rhombus bisects each other. So BD equals to 2 into BO, that is 2 into 12 and that is equals to 24 centimeter. That's all in this video. Thank you.